Welcome. Today we will explore on emotional awareness, unlocking the key to healthy relationships. Emotional awareness, often referred to as emotional intelligence, is the ability to recognize, understand, and manage our own emotions while also perceiving and empathizing with the emotions of others. It is a fundamental skill that plays a pivotal role in building and sustaining healthy relationships, whether in personal life, friendships, or professional environments. Without emotional awareness, misunderstandings, conflicts, and miscommunications can quickly erode trust and connection. The first step in developing emotional awareness is self-reflection. This involves taking the time to recognize your own feelings as they arise, identifying their sources, and understanding their impact on your thoughts and actions. For instance, noticing that you feel anxious before a difficult conversation can help you respond calmly rather than react impulsively. Journaling, mindfulness exercises, and meditation are effective tools for cultivating this self-awareness, providing a safe space to explore your emotional responses without judgment. Once individuals are attuned to their own emotions, they are better equipped to understand the emotions of others. This capacity for empathy allows us to respond with sensitivity and compassion rather than frustration or indifference. Active listening is a practical strategy to enhance this skill. By focusing fully on the speaker, observing their tone and body language, and validating their feelings, we create an environment where open communication can flourish. Emotional awareness enables us to recognize subtle cues, such as hesitation or discomfort, that might otherwise go unnoticed, fostering deeper and more meaningful connections. Healthy relationships also require the ability to regulate and express emotions appropriately. Emotional awareness does not mean suppressing feelings, but rather expressing them constructively. For example, instead of lashing out in anger, one might calmly express disappointment or concern, promoting understanding rather than conflict. Learning to pause before reacting, choosing words thoughtfully, and maintaining a respectful tone are all ways to manage emotions effectively within relationships. Furthermore, emotional awareness strengthens resilience in relationships. Conflicts and disagreements are inevitable, but those who are emotionally aware are better equipped to navigate them. Recognizing triggers, taking responsibility for one's own emotions, and practicing forgiveness contribute to resolving issues without escalating tensions. Relationships built on mutual emotional understanding are more likely to endure challenges and grow stronger over time. In addition to individual growth, emotional awareness contributes to creating supportive communities and workplaces. Teams that value emotional intelligence tend to exhibit better collaboration, reduced stress, and higher overall satisfaction. By fostering a culture where emotions are acknowledged and respected, individuals feel valued and understood, which positively impacts both personal and collective well-being. In conclusion, emotional awareness is the key to unlocking healthier, more fulfilling relationships. By cultivating self-awareness, empathy, emotional regulation, and resilience, we create the foundation for strong, respectful, and meaningful connections. Investing in emotional intelligence is not just an individual journey, it is a commitment to nurturing relationships that can thrive in both personal and professional spheres. Thank you for your patience hearing.